Hey guys, so today I'm going to be building a kind of like a scary Halloween decoration for my front light post. So in the front of my house I have a light post, and I've already carved the pumpkin. If I wasn't lazy and I actually edited that last video, I carved a pumpkin without touching it with my hands, only with tools. So that's going to be the head. Then this is going to be the body. All I'm going to do here is I'm just going to cut out about the same thickness of the light post. I'm going to come up and then I'm going to come out with, I'm just going to use a jigsaw and a piece of plywood here, and it's just going to be like arm. That's a pretty simple one, but just a quick one I thought we'd do today. Alright. Whoa! I love this. This is awesome. It came out perfectly. Now I'm just gonna paint this black, make it all look kind of creepy, like it was once this color, then the pumpkin had died, then it came back to life.
And then he went through, he got buried, and to come back from life, so I wanted some dirt on there. Definitely some black, like rotting, because he probably was down there for a while. Then he came to life, and then he planted himself, and he just found my light post, and he was like, oh hey, that's a nice looking light post. I could probably rest here for a little bit and just try to scare children, trying to get them to drop some of the candy for this guy to go and eat all the candy and gain more weight, so he stays there and I can then eat him. I'm creating a thing that's going to eat me in this scenario. Yeah, I know that. I might have to.
I'm still gonna make it though, because this is a video.